A very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Mustafeena. I am from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from GSS ITW, Mysuru. So today I am going to explain you my subset project, that is credit card fraud detection. So as we all know, credit card frauds are very rare to happen, and if they happen, it is very much difficult to detect. So today's my project is I have developed a project that can detect such credit card fraud in a simpler manner without causing much trouble. So my project has two main parts, main.py and app.py. So in main.py, first I have prepared the data, then trained the model and model evaluation. In app.py, I have used Streamlit app to deploy my app. Okay, so let us go to the main.py. First, I have imported pandas I have taken the dataset from the Kaggle website and I have uploaded it using and I have imported pandas for downloading and cleaning of the dataset. Once the dataset is imported, I have used libraries like Matplotlib, XGBoost. Matplotlib is used for the visualization and XGBoost is the model which I have used. XGBoost is very commonly used and it is much preferred for such kind of large amount of data sets. And since credit card fraud detection has many columns and data is very much complex, I have used XGBoost and I have taken the data set from the Kaggle website. Since the banking related data is very much, it includes the personal information of the public and it cannot be displayed. So I have trained my model in PC analysis and I have selected the 28 most best features that can be used to detect the fraudulent transactions. So then model evaluation, I have done I have got confusion matrix classification, report, and for visualization I have got the root curve. Then let me show you the working of my project, like what actually happens and what values you need to give to predict. So here V1 to V28, as I told you, PC analysis I have done. So first, to check for legitimate transactions, we will check for both legitimate transaction as well as the fraudulent transactions. To check for legitimate transactions, we need to put the most maximum values, that is positive values, and to check for fraudulent, we have to put for negative values. Putting the values is based on the data set which we loaded. So to check for legitimate, first let me check for fraudulent, and I also have a dashboard that consists of three. First one is single, then batch processing and model information. In batch processing, you need to manually enter the data, and once it's loaded, you can see here fraud probability is detected as 0.3 and it is a legitimate transaction. Okay, next you can go for batch processing. There in batch processing, instead of manually typing, you can just upload a .csv file to get a graph which is a visualization for both legitimate and fraudulent transactions. You will get a graph here. As you can see, it will detect the amount of legitimate and fraudulent transactions. And you can also download this result. So, and finally, model information. I have just for ease of the use, I have included what all I have done in my project and how my project worked. Thank you.